Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. In today's video, we will be unboxing a Masterpiece Collectibles Subaru Fast Response car, which is in the Singapore Police Force in the past. This is the front of the box, the side, the back, the side again, the bottom, and the top. Now let's unbox the car. This is the first look of the car. This is the front of the car, the side, the back, the side again, the top, and the bottom. This police car is a good model to have in my collection, and the details are perfect, and I hope that Masterpiece Collectibles can release new models like this. Thank you for watching this video. Do make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching again, and have a nice day.